We got us a barn find, Suzuki LT250R. Apparently, it's been sitting for 10 years since it's last been started. It looks to be really clean. I already see a lot of aftermarket parts jumping out at me. You see the high compression cool head, the Boyson rad valve. I believe that's a PWK air striker. I don't think that's the stock carb. It's got aftermarket control arms on it, and what's that? Oh, it's a Works Performance shock. That's definitely an older aftermarket shock. That's pretty cool. Oh, check out the Fox Racing bar pad. I bet that's rare. The Tusk grips. Seen better days. It's got what looks like an FMF pipe on. FMF fatty. Frame's been painted. Oh, it's got an aftermarket control arm on it. I think that's extended too. It was probably extended 2 inches at least. Apparently, the seller says that all we need to do is clean the carburetor, clean the fuel tank. This thing's gonna start right up. So it's got plenty of compression. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna clean it. I'm gonna block off the carburetor. We're gonna take it outside, give it a nice little wash. Found is the best degreaser is this stuff from the dollar store. And then you wanna do is you wanna just spray it all over, especially that carburetor. I did plug that carburetor off. And you can see the grease. It's already coming off. This thing cleaned up amazing. Look at this. It just looks like brand new. I'll go ahead and take the seat off, pop this off, get the gas tank off. Let's see what's in the gas tank. Oh, there's fuel in there and it's nasty. Oh no. And that's not good either. It does have coolant. And it looks decent. Our JIS screwdriver. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's non-ethanol fuel, definitely. It had a 170 main. It looks a little bit clogged. That pilot jet is definitely clogged. With our air fuel mixture screw here. Let's see how many turns it had it. So it's one, it was right at 1.5. We'll just set it back to there for base setting. We got our carb in the sonic cleaner. It's all warmed up. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a good sonic clean. We got our carb nice and clean of the sonic cleaner. You see, really nice and clean. Go ahead and put it back together. Pilot jet back. Float level looks good. You want to return this to where it was before. Just 1.5 turns out. We got our carb all clean and put back together. Time to throw it back on the bike. I went ahead and flushed our fuel tank out with some fresh fuel, cleaned it really well. So I decided before we try to start this thing, since it's been apparently sitting so long, we're gonna change the transmission fluid and the coolant. The golden goo. I cleaned out our old gas tank really well, but the old fuel line was completely dry rotted and was not going to work. So I made a new custom one. The thing with these older petcocks is the diameter of the outlet here is really small compared to the diameter of the outlet on most of these carbs. So what I did is I got a smaller diameter fuel line here, so it's gonna connect real good to our outlet here. And then I got a fuel filter here and then a larger diameter line to connect to our carb. I'm gonna go ahead and put some fresh race gas in it. We're gonna see if it starts. If it tries to run away, I'm gonna smother it. That's crazy. Second kick. It's awesome. This thing fired right up. So I actually got the air box for this thing. I found it. And I got a brand new Uni air filter. I cleaned it out real well inside of the boot. So I'm gonna go ahead, we're gonna put the air box back on it. We're gonna put all the plastics back on. And we're gonna go on a nice little test drive. So stay tuned. Check it out. We got it all back together. Let's see how she rips. First kick. Oh, this thing feels fast. Thing's got some power. Oh, goodness. This thing's hard to control. Oh, the works connection shocks are done. They're not very good. Or whatever they are, the works performance. Oh, goodness. They're pogo sticks now, unfortunately. That thing got some power, though. Let's see if we can open it up here. Holy crap. Oh my god, there's another gear? Oh, this thing's got a super long ratio transmission. It's like a wide ratio. Oh my god. This thing is so fast. Oh, this thing is actually crazy fast. It's like faster than the Quadzilla. It might be faster than the Quadzilla with all the mods. Like, as crazy as that sounds. Like, it feels so much lighter, too. Holy crap! Oh, this thing is tuned perfectly too. It's like literally perfection. You gotta really shift it firmly. It's an older quad. I'm just kind of lacking a little. Oh, this thing's awesome. Better hold on to my shit. I still got another gear. It has to go at least 80. Oh, she does power wheelies. It does power wheelies in third gear. Wait, is it a 6-speed? Is that why I'm so confused? I can't believe it's a 6-speed. I guess I just never realized that it's a 6-speed. Oh my God, it might go 90 miles an hour. It might be 100. But that's a little ridiculous. This thing's a little rocket. And it's hard to control. Oh my goodness. Well, you really gotta ride this thing, or it's gonna ride you. It sounds sick. Got that nice, like, vintage 250 two-stroke sound. It's got good power too, man. It really does. Hope you don't fly off the road with it. All right. This thing is absolutely awesome. Oh, this thing is so much fun. And if we rebuilt the shocks and all three of the shocks, yeah, they just need a rebuild. This thing would be even cooler because right now it's a little bit of like a pogo stick machine with like crazy horsepower. But I would be interested in tearing into this motor one day because I think it definitely has to have some mods on the inside. It has to have some heavy porting, possibly maybe even a big bore. Because this thing just feels like wicked fast to me. Like, I don't just think, to me, it's possible. But to me, I don't just think it's just the cool head, the high compression. The Boyson rad valve could have helped in this era. I don't know. I know now on some bikes, the rad valve really isn't even the move. PWK carb probably is the move. But yeah, I'd be intrigued once inside this engine. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope y'all enjoyed. Stay tuned for more content like this. Have a good one.